Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is 107th video in our PTC Creo Parametric course where we are covering everything from the very basics to advanced technique. And if you are new here and want to start from beginning, be sure to check out the playlist link in the description below. In today's session, we are going to explore reflection analysis, as we can see here, or also popularly known as zebra analysis. This is a powerful visual tool inside PTC Creo Parametric style environment that help you to evaluate the smoothness, alignment and continuity of surface, especially when working on a free form or class A surface. So I would say you can also pair it with curvature analysis. However, I'm gonna give this particular one extra point because of, when we talk about the curvature analysis, we are not creating infinite number of curve, okay? However, when we're gonna do the zebra, it is actually designed for surface. And as soon as I clicked on reflection and selected the surfaces, here we can see the zebra curves are now visible. So this tool simulates how parallel light stripes like zebra strips would reflect off a surface. Perfectly smooth surface will show continuous following stripes, while mismatch or discontinuity will appear as a break or distortion in stripes. And I would say it is primarily used for tangency or G1 or curvature or G2. It also helps you to validate the surface alignment. Now let me actually cancel it and go back here because I also wanted to showcase you how it helps us in recognizing the imperfection. So here you can see we have created a G1 tangent connection. So let me actually make it probably tangent, or maybe let me actually go here and edit this surface. And now here in constraint, I'm gonna say position, okay? And now let's hit okay. Now again, let's go here, reflection analysis, and now let's have a look actually how good this is. So seems like there are so many of lines, so I'm just going to remove them. So here the place where we see these both curves are connected, you can clearly recognize the issue, right? The zebra is not parallel or not that smooth, okay? And let me pass another one, and probably I also would like to reduce the spacing, increase the spacing, and now here also we can clearly see the issue. So what I'm gonna do here is probably I can save it, or maybe I can cancel it. Now you just saw it is very easy for us to differentiate there is an issue, okay? Now let me go again here and let's fix this and make it tangent, okay? Now again I'm gonna go here in reflection, and this time now here you can see when this zebra strip goes from one surface patch to another, now this connection look more smoother than before, okay? Now let's try making it further smooth. So again I'm gonna go here and change the connection type from G1 to G2, and now let's again go here, reflection, and now you can see the further improvement in surface quality. Let's now go and make it a G2, okay? I'm gonna go here and let's make it G2. Now I'm gonna make it G3, and after we made it G3, now you see it is kind of invisible, or I would say the change in surface curvature is very minimal. So that's how guys we can improve the surface quality. Now again from G3 to G0, you're gonna see the difference, right? Here you can see both the curves are not perfectly aligned. That's why we are seeing the reflection of light is going in another direction. And as soon as we hit and make it Z3, now here we can see the zebra stripes are much more smoother. So that's wrap up today's session on reflection or zebra analysis in Creo Parametric tool. I hope this tutorial gave you a clear idea of how to visually inspect and perfect your surfaces. Also, if you want to elevate your engineering skills and stay updated in more in-depth tutorial, please make sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam. This channel covers a variety of topics from core engineering and CAD to project management and beyond. So there is always something valuable to learn. If you have got any kind of questions or suggestion, please feel free to drop them in comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.